जय माँ भारती। समाचार के ब्रह्मांड की भूत भविष्य वर्तमान की। आई हार्टली वेलकम यू टू द PMA समाचार channel from the international world. Angola is a country on the west coast of southern Africa. It is the seventh largest country in Africa, bordered by Namibia to the south, the Democratic Republic of the Congo to the north, Zambia to the east, and the Atlantic Ocean to the west. Angola has an exclave province, the province of Cabinda, that borders the Republic of the Congo and the Democratic Republic of Congo. The capital and largest city of Angola is Luanda. Angola-India relations refers to the bilateral ties between the India and the Angola. Both nations are part of the Non-Aligned Movement. Being a member of the African Union, Angola supports India's candidates for a permanent seat in a reformed Security Council. Angola-China relations date back to the pre-independent Angola day. They are based on an emerging trade or relationship. As of 2011, Angola is the second biggest trading partner in Africa. Country on Independence Day special arrangement will be made to sit on the Red Fort honor card of Corona warriors. Education. Central will approve new fund policy now for higher education sector. Sacramento's virus stopped. Got a very useful army. Moderna's for coronavirus vaccine showed the amazing effect on monkeys. Environment. Ghagra is a perennial trans-boundary river originating on the Tibetan plateau near Lake Mansarovar. It cuts through the Himalayas in Nepal and joins the Sharda River at Brahmaghat in India. Together, they form the Ghagra River's eastern left bank, tributary of the Ganges with a length of 507 kilometers. It is the longest river in Nepal. The total length of Ghagra River up it is confluence with the Ganges in Ravensganj in Bihar is 1080 kilometers. It is the largest tributary of the Ganges by volume and the second longest tributary of the Ganges by length after Yamuna. Invention. A parachute is a device used to slow the motion of an object through an atmosphere by creating drag. Parachutes are usually made up of light, strong fabric, originally silk, now most commonly nylon. They are typically dome-shaped but vary with rectangles, inverted domes, and other forms. A variety of loads are attached to parachutes, including people, food, equipment, space capsules, and bombs. The oldest depiction of a parachute by an anonymous author's 4070s in Italy. Great person. Virjanand. The Swami, also known as the blind seers of Mathura, was the celebrated teacher of Arya Samaj founder Dayanand Saraswati. He was a scholar and teacher by Sanskrit grammar and Vedic literature. At Mathura, he established a Pathsala to which students flocked from all over the country. At the expenses of the Pathsala were met by donations from the Rajput prince and no fees were charged from the pupils. State. The history of Mizoram basically encompasses the history of Mizoram, which lies in the remotest part of the northeast India. It is a conglomerate history of several ethnic groups of Chin people who migrated from Chin state of Burma, but information of their patterns of westward migration are based on oral history and archaeological inferences. Hence, nothing definite can be said. The recorded history started relatively recently, around the mid-19th century, when the according regions were occupied by the British monarchy. The land is now inhabited by mixture of people from Chin Hills and Bangladesh, and its history is therefore largely reflected by those of Loshei, Hamar, Lai, and Mara Chakramas tribe. Crops. The turnip of white turnip is a root vegetable commonly grown in temperate climates worldwide for its white fleecy taproot. The word turnip is a compound of turn, as in turned, rounded on a lathe, and nip derived from Latin nupus, from the word for the plant. Fruits. Sambucus is a genus of flowering plants in the family Adoxaceae. The various species are commonly called elder or elderberry. The genus was formerly placed in honeysuckle family Caprifoliaceae but was reclassified as Adoxaceae due to genetic and morphological comparisons to plant in the genus Adoxa. Flowers. Combretum indicum, also known as Rangoon creeper or Chinese honeysuckle, is a bean with red flower clusters and native to tropical Asia. It is closely related to the true honeysuckle species Lonicera tragophylla, which is also called the Chinese honeysuckle. Yog. Paschimottanasana. Paschimottanasana, seated forward bend or intense diurnal stretch, is a seated forward bending asana in Hatha Yoga and modern yoga. As exercise, the health benefits of Paschimottanasana improves digestion, helps relieves the symptoms of menopause and menstrual discomfort, soothes headache and anxiety, and reduces fatigue. Universe. Patagonia Desert, also known as the Patagonian Steppe, is the largest desert in Argentina and is the 8th largest desert in the world by area, occupying 673,000 square kilometers. It is located primarily in Argentina and is bounded by the Andes to its west and the Atlantic Ocean to its east. In the region of Patagonia, southern Argentina to the north, and the desert degrades into Cuyo region and Monte. The central parts of the steppes are dominated by shrubby and herbaceous plants species, albeit to the west, where precipitation is higher, bushes are replaced by grasses. Topographically, the deserts consist of alternating tablelands and marshes desiccated by rivers, valleys, and canals. The more western parts of the steppe host lakes of glacial origins and grades into barren mountains or cold temperature forests along valleys. Mathematics. History of trigonometry. Early study of triangles can be tracked to the 2nd millennium BC in Egyptian mathematics and Babylonian mathematics. Systematic study of trigonometric functions began in Hellenistic mathematics, reaching India as part of Hellenistic astronomy. In Indian astronomy, the study of trigonometric functions flourished in the Gupta period, especially due to Aryabhatta, 6th century CE, who discovered the sine function during the Middle East. The study of trigonometry continued in Islamic mathematics by mathematicians such as Al-Khwarizmi and Abul Fawa. It became an independent discipline in the Islamic world where all 6 trigonometric functions were known. Translations of Arabic and Greek texts led to trigonometry being adopted as in the Latin West, beginning in the Renaissance and Riga Montes. The development of modern trigonometry shifted during the Western age of Enlightenment, beginning with 17th century mathematics and reaching its modern form Leonhard Euler. Ayurveda. Daru Harida is also called as Indian barberry or tree turmeric. It has been used in Ayurvedic medicine system since a long time. The fruit and stem of Daru Harida are widely used for its medicinal benefit. The fruit is edible and is a rich source of vitamin C. Daru Harida is mainly beneficial for skin problems like inflammation and psoriasis, as it has anti-inflammatory and anti-prosthetic activity. It helps in managing acne by preventing the growth of acne-causing bacteria and reducing inflammation due to its antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties. Village town. Hajipur is the largest city and headquarters of Vaishali district of Tirhut division in the Indian state of Bihar. Hajipur is the 10th leading city and 17th most populous city of Bihar, making it the second fastest developing city next to Patna. It had a total population of 1.47 lakh as per census of 2011. Vaishali district is ranked 8th on a list of 30 districts in Bihar in terms of growth. Today's event. 762 Baghdad is founded. 1729 Founding of Baltimore, Maryland. 1859 First ascent of Grand Combin, one of the highest summits in the Alps. 1930 Montevideo Uruguay wins the first FIFA World Cup. Vanuatu gains independence in 1980. 1980 Israel's Knesset passes the Jerusalem Law. Weather. In Bihar, so many rivers like Ganga, Sovar, Deens and Mark Post. Today's temperature in Patna 28 degrees Celsius and in Delhi 28 degrees Celsius. The Border Security Force BSF is India's primary border guarding organization on its border with Pakistan and Bangladesh. It is one of the 6 central armed police forces of India was raised in the wake of 1965 war on 1st December 1965 for ensuring the security of the borders of India and for matters connected with it is paramilitary force charged with guarding India's land border with Pakistan and Bangladesh during peacetime and preventing transnational crime at the same. It has various active roles during an outbreak of war. It comes under Ministry of Home Affairs. The BSF has its own cadre of officer, but its head designated as a Director General since its rising has been an officer from the Indian Police Service. Today's for that's all I take for tomorrow. Live, stay healthy, be happy. माँ भारती की जय.
ॐ द्यौः शान्तिरन्तरिक्ष ॐ शान्तिः पृथिवी शान्तिरापः शान्तिरोषधयः शान्तिः वनस्पतयः शान्तिर्विश्वे देवा शान्ति ब्रह्म शान्तिः सर्वगुण शान्ति शान्तिरेव शान्तिः सामा शान्तिरेधि ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः